Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you have a front load washer that isn't draining? Well, make sure you check your filter. As you can see on the flap right here, it says to check it roughly once a month. And if you have dogs like those cartoons there, make sure you check it on time. Because check this out. Wow, completely packed, solid. This woman's washer was so full of water and so full of dog hair, it just would not drain. And that's all the issue was. Yep, dogs like those are cats. You don't want to put their beds or their rugs in there because that's what kind of hair is going to get down there. Make sure you check your filter. See you in the next one.